Despite the effects of COVID-19 pandemic on families, churches, and the society, Children's Ministries Department have achieved a lot through the grace of God. Under the key strategic issue mission, the objective is to foster a lifestyle of witnessing and disciple-making in children and teens. In order to foster a life of witnessing and disciple-making in our children in Word, series of evangelism training and retreats were organized for children this year. And as a result, our children engaged in the distribution of tracts and books in the community, and they led out in different evangelistic campaigns. And some of these campaigns yielded fruits as baptism. The second objective is to strengthen outreach to children and teens in the cities and across 1040 window. In some of our unions, Vacation Bible School was organized this year during the long vacation to reach out to the children in the cities and across 1040 windows, whereby the gospel message and the health messages were delivered to children. Adventist children were present, helping their friends to learn about Christ. In addition to gospel messages, health messages, and the messages on family and on morals were also taught to children during Vacation Bible School this year. Key strategic issue, spiritual growth. The objective is to disciple children and teens and their families into spirit-filled lives. By the grace of God, Children's Ministries Department, with the collaboration of the World Divisions, has opened a website where all spiritual materials needed to disciple our children and teens and their families have been uploaded. Children can visit individually or with their parents to watch, play, read, and get well-prepared materials available in the department. The website is called Faith Founders. In Word, children's WhatsApp platform in each union are functioning wonderfully. Well-trained social media children leaders meet with our children once a week for Bible studies, moral formation lessons, and health messages on WhatsApp platform and Telegram. 28 fundamental beliefs, Bible lessons on discovering Jesus have been studied already, and now children are studying on prayer and celebration health messages. In addition, Sabbath school pamphlets are now printed regularly by semester, and the quality of the printed guide has greatly improved. Another objective is to increase accession, retention, reclamation, and participation of children and teens. Our action plan is to involve children and teens in community service projects so they can participate in the mission of the church, thereby keeping them busy and engaged for the Lord. Our children organize service projects such as visit to the hospitals, visit to orphanages, visit to the places where the handicaps were kept, visit to the old people in the community, and sharing of gifts to the needy. And they also organize different community services. Our children participated with the youths during the Youth Global Day this year to share God's message of love in practical ways to others. Also, Children at Risk Day was organized in all our division. Children prayed for their friends who are in difficult situations, and they visited them with a lot of gifts. Leadership. The objective under leadership is to strengthen children's leaders and teachers with regular growth opportunities. This year, by the grace of God, the Word Children's Ministries Department has been able to fulfill the action plan to organize leadership certification courses for the children ministry leaders in our territory. Children Ministry Certification Courses Levels 9 and 10 were organized in the month of August and September for the English-speaking leaders. And we hope to do the same for the French-speaking leaders in the coming months. About 1,000 leaders will earn their certificates after these trainings. By the grace of God, Children Ministry is moving ahead, forging ahead in fulfilling the mission of the church and in doing their best to hasten the second coming of Christ. Our gratitude goes to all the Children's Ministries directors and all the associates, as well as the local church monitors and teachers who have collaborated so far this year. Despite the perturbation of COVID-19, they have tried their best to feed our children with the manna of heaven. We also thank thank in a very special way the administration of all levels for their collaboration. Please continue to pray for Children's Ministries Department as we forge ahead in fulfilling the mission of the church. God bless you. Since March 2020, when the COVID-19 pandemic imposed lockdown and confinement upon everyone, a great storm indeed has shook the entire world and caused a lot of distress. Women from the West Central Africa Division cast their anchor in Christ alone. They engaged in activities to nurture their faith, to empower them for service, and they reach out with a gospel message with their slogan, "I will go reach my world." Nurture. Immediately after the lockdown, women turned to the use of social media as a means to maintain their spiritual nurturing. Different women WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, and blogs were formed, and Zoom meetings were organized for morning and evening devotions for women, for sharing inspiring messages, for prayer meetings, Bible studies, seminars, and sharing of inspiring quotes to nurture women, including the non-Adventists during the crisis. This social media continued to function till now, and through these means, women supported one another in kind and cash to alleviate suffering. Due to these nurturing activities, by the grace of God, less death and less mental illnesses were recorded among women in WAD during this period, though some women lost their means of livelihood. In addition, the celebration of the 3 Women's Ministry Special Days in March, June, and August nurtured the faith of our women. Empower. To empower women, Women's Ministry Advisory was organized at all levels in WAD, in which women adopted the strategic plan of the department for this quinquennium. Likewise, the General Conference Women's Ministry Leadership Certification Trainings, levels 1 and 2, was organized for women in different unions. The total of 1,541 women have successfully finished with levels 1 and 2. We hope to continue with levels 3 and 4 very soon. The year 2021 witnessed different women's ministries congresses, retreats, young ladies retreats at the union and conferences levels. This year 2021 also, women celebrated the 25th anniversary of Women's Ministries Department that lockdown prevented last year.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
In addition, the first division-wide Women's Ministries Evangelism Training, Building Bridges, was organized via Zoom in April 2021, and this has been replicated in some of the unions, and the result was amazing because women are now working better with non-Christian neighbors. Outreach. Different outreach activities by the women in WAD reveal the good fruit of the nurturing and empowering programs organized for women. Visits and donations by Women's Ministries Department to the orphanages, hospitals, the elderly in the community, street children, and to the mentally ill people during the pandemic actually reminds people about the love of God. Women in Southern Ghana Union Conference developed extended ministries to one non-Christian community by offering foodstuff and rich gifts, and the same community benefited from medical assistance organized by Women's Ministry. Lastly, but not the least, women in WAD organized Bible studies for their non-Adventist friends. An evangelistic effort took place this year from June to August, and as a result, 1,021 souls were baptized by women alone. To God be the glory. We continue to pray for more opportunities to serve and to spread the message of the soon return of Christ despite the COVID-19 pandemic. Women for Christ.